Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a pyramid shapes. Okay, first of all, we have to make pyramid with a polygon for basic shape, and then we can type a side of it with a 3, and then we can press enter until 3 side over there. So then we can make draw the radius of this pyramid itself. We can set it maybe around the radius around for any size as we want, around 3000 millimeter. So then we have to select line. We can then we have to draw a line, start from the center position, and then we can draw it until this height, and then we have to click it and place on this position, click it and then place on this position, and then we can click it and place on this position anyway. Okay, and it's done. But it's about the basic shape of the pyramid anyway. Okay, and then we have to make group anyway. So, and after that we can also duplicate it by select the object and press Ctrl, and then we can scale it. Okay, and then we can scale it, and then we can move again and place on this position, and then we can scale it down and many more, or maybe we can duplicate it again and again. Okay, so then we can also set the material. Maybe we can use the material, and maybe we can set the shadow with the shadow, okay, to make a pyramid. Okay, then we can make the duplicate of the pyramid itself, just something like this anyway. And it's about pyramid shape of the in SketchUp anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. I will be a trip basic trick and tips to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.